Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the sleek and functional Bellroy Tech Kit, your ultimate tech accessories organizer. This compact pouch is designed with a zipper closure to securely store your essential gadgets, including a power bank, phone charger, cables, and more, making it perfect for tech-savvy individuals on the go. Its thoughtfully designed interior features multiple pockets and elastic loops to keep your items neatly organized and easily accessible. Crafted with premium materials, the Bellroy Tech Kit not only offers durability but also a stylish look that complements any setup. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or simply need to keep your workspace tidy, this tech kit ensures that your accessories are always within reach and tangle-free. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience with the Bellroy Tech Kit, the perfect companion for your everyday tech needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.